Click the subscribe button. Click the bell icon for all the new updates from our channel. Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today's recipe is specially for kids, which is loaded with vegetables and super healthy. Let's see how to make vegetable egg balls. My kids don't like egg in any form. They hate boiled egg, omelette, bullseye, but I tried this recipe and they just loved it. I'm taking 3 whole eggs for this recipe. You can use either chicken or duck egg. Whisk it really well. Add some pepper and salt. Now let's add in some veggies which are finely chopped. Here I'm using onion, some carrot, cabbage, and some tomato. Also a secret ingredient, spinach. So take any of those veggies which your kids don't like to eat, just hide it in these egg balls and feed them. Now I'm making these egg balls in an appe pan. So add in some oil. And if you don't have the appe pan, you can make these egg balls in the same method using these type of spoons. But just be careful about the heat. Now pour in the egg and vegetable mixture. Cover it and cook this on a medium heat. And after 6 to 7 minutes, slowly flip it using a spoon. Again cook this for 2 to 3 minutes and here you go, our egg balls are ready. No one can find out that these egg balls are loaded with veggies. A perfect and super healthy evening snack for your kids. This will be a perfect recipe for your kids' lunchbox. So definitely try out this recipe and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.